Hello friends, this is Dr. Arpana. I am a practicing homeopathic consultant. In this channel, I talk to you about the role and scope of homeopathy in the various diseased conditions and how homeopathic medicines can beautifully help you. So today we will be discussing about the condition mestalgia or breast pain, the various causes, the investigations that we need to do and the role and scope of homeopathic medicines in this condition. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon so that you are always updated whenever I publish any new video. You do not miss any of them. So let's get started. So today we will be discussing about mestalgia. Now first of all, let us understand what are the various causes of mestalgia. Now mestalgia or breast pain, the most common cause will be the cyclical pain, the physiologic cause, that is before the menstrual cycle a female can experience some kind of breast discomfort or pain. Now this pain and the intensity of the pain can vary. It can be present just a day or two before the menstrual cycle, or it can be present 10 to 15 days prior to the onset of the menstrual cycle. The intensity will also vary from case to case. Most of the female will not feel any pain or any discomfort, but yes, in some cases some female can experience various amount of pain or varied intensity of pain, and we can treat it accordingly. If a female is lactating, that too could be a reason of breast pain or discomfort. If a female is pregnant, so during pregnancy also, because of the changes which are taking place in the breast tissue, there can be some amount of pain, some amount of discomfort present. Some discomfort can also be present in case of menopausal female. Now the next reason could be if you have overstrained, maybe you have joined some gym and you are doing some rigorous exercises, or maybe you have lifted up some heavy weight and then you can experience some pain. So if you are a right-handed person, you can have pain on the right side from overstretching of the muscles, and that can result in some kind of injury to the muscles, and then you can have a pain. The next cause for the pain could be in case of a breastfeeding female. So if a female is breastfeeding, what can happen? There can be collection of milk in the milk duct, and then there can be further bacterial infection leading to the formation of an abscess, and that could be a painful condition. So in this condition also, homeopathic medicines can help. If the pus formation is more, the pain is severe, we can also need to do some aspiration. The next cause could be some growth, some tumor, some space occupying lesion, and because of that a female can experience some amount of pain or mestalgia or discomfort. So now we must understand that breast pain or breast discomfort or maybe a lump in the breast does not mean that a female is having a breast cancer or some malignancy of the breast. So it is very, very important to get the case diagnosed, to go to a physician who can properly examine, advise you the test, the scan if needed, and we can come to a proper diagnosis. So diagnosis is very, very important, and accordingly we can take the steps and further treat the patient. So what all investigations do we need? So complete blood count can help, scan, x-ray, ultrasound. So ultrasound of the breast, if you are up to the age of 40 years, then ultrasound will be the preferable choice. If you are above 40, then mammography can be done. If there is a lump, there is a tumor, there is a space occupying lesion, we may ask you to do an FNAC, which is a fine needle aspiration cytology. If FNAC is not clear, we can ask you to go for a true cut biopsy. If that is also not clear, or if your age is advancing and you have other comorbidities, we can also ask you to get an excision biopsy done. So these will be the investigations that are generally done in case of a breast lump or breast tumor or a space occupying lesion. Now coming to the homeopathic medicine. So now after the diagnosis is done, then we can take the case and accordingly we can give the medicines. So I will be telling you about some of the homeopathic medicines which can help you in case of mestalgia or breast pain. The first medicine is belladonna. Belladonna is a very good medicine in case of inflammation. The first stage of any inflammatory condition, belladonna is a very good medicine. So if there is an abscess with redness, swelling, pain, the patient can also have some degree of fever, then belladonna will be the medicine of choice. If a mother is weaning, during that time also, if there is some amount of inflammation in the breast tissue, then also belladonna medicine can help. The next medicine is Phytolacca. Now Phytolacca is a very good medicine for the lymphatic system of our body. If there is stinging pain in the breast tissue, then Phytolacca medicine can help. Phytolacca medicine can be given in mother tincture, it can be given in the dilution form, so it will all depend upon the presentation of the case, and accordingly we will be selecting the potency. The next medicine which can help in case of a breast pain is Bryonia. So Bryonia will help when the slightest amount of movement or a jar will aggravate the problem or will bring on the breast pain back. So once a female explained her case that if she tries to open up the cork of a bottle with the help of her right hand, she was having cyst on the right breast, then from that little bit of aggravation also the pain will come back. So a little amount of aggravation or slightest movement bringing the pain, then Bryonia can help. In Bryonia we also see that there is hardness of the affected area. There could be some cyst or some lump or some tumor, and it is very hard to touch. So that will be the presentation of a Bryonia. Now the next medicine, now if there is some amount of abscess, there is pus formation, we need to drain the pus and we need to relieve the patient from the pain. So in this case Hipersulf and Silesia, they can help. So the medicine selection, the potency selection, it will completely depend upon the presentation, the symptoms and other medical condition of the patient. So these are the medicines which can help in case of a mestalgia. I hope the information that I shared with you about mestalgia, the investigations that you could possibly do and the homeopathic medicines, so you have enjoyed this video. So do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you wish to book an appointment with me for any of your medical condition, the number is already given to you. You can send a message through WhatsApp in this given number and you will be provided with the details for booking an appointment from my office. If you wish to speak to me over the phone, that too is possible with the help of an app. All the details are already given to you. So that is all for today. Have a nice and wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much for watching.